Welcome back, friends. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. We are talking about Milwaukee. They are changing things in the industry in a way that I really didn't think so about maybe 20 years ago, maybe not even 10 years ago, but now they are changing it. I'm going to talk about the M18 SDS inch and an eighth hammer drill. Now, this drill, it weighs about 8.9 pounds, 13 inches long. It has 800 RPM and 4,600 blows per minute at 3.6 pounds per blow. Now, what does that mean? The fact that it's only 8.9 pounds, that it's cordless at M18, it's going to do up to I think 55-inch holes at 3 inches deep on a single charge battery. Now, that's all relative, right? How big is your battery that you're going to be using in it? And that is a big deal. Now, Milwaukee is always innovating, and how Milwaukee innovates is that they actually go into the field with the trade, and that's how they design and they really innovate their tools. That's why the tools make sense, and that's why tradesmen are standing behind it. Now, the other thing, it actually has the hammer vac as well, so it attaches to the bottom of the drill, and as you're hammering, it just sucks all the dust away. Now, if you're a plumber, you're an electrician, you're anyone that's going to mount anything on concrete or blocks or anything that you actually have to hammer drill into, this is the tool that you need because it's going to last the test of time. It's going to get through the tough situations, and it's not that expensive, especially if you're getting out there, you're going to use it all the time. You need a tool that you can rely on no matter what. Milwaukee is there. They're always tough. I'm excited to talk about this tool. Now, during working in power plants, working in stationary engineering positions, working on big HVAC systems, that's my background. And whenever I was either mounting pipes vertically or horizontally, we always had to drill into those really cured, hard concrete foundational floors, and you're always blowing out drills. Now, the ones that I used to use are plug-in, and they would break your wrist. Now, this one actually has an anti-kickback or anti-twist, right? So if it locks up, it's not going to hurt your wrist, especially if you're using some of those really, really big hammer drills. Now, this one, it can do rotary, so just rotary, so that's drill only. It can do hammer only, so you can chip away the panhead's flat spade bits, or you can rotary hammer it as well, and that's where you're going to throw your anchors in and really get through something. Now, it goes up to an infinite H, and that's the diameter of the bit, or you can use on a thin wall core bit 3 inches, and that's what it calls for. But when you're in the field, you do what you got to do to get the job done. Everybody, I hope that you get out there, go check out this tool. I put the link down in the description. Let me know what you think about this tool. Is it standing up? Is it getting out there? Is it worth its weight in gold? I want to hear from you. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Take care. Get out there. Go build something. Learn from your mistakes. Pass that knowledge on to the next generation. We will all be better for it. Let's promote the trades and get out there once again. Take care, everybody.